Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how you can bulk suspend users by group or OU in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. The admin and managers must suspend unmanaged user accounts to enhance organizational security. It protects their organization from data losses and other cyber risks. However, this task can become tedious if you delete the accounts one by one. Instead, they can opt for bulk suspend users. This enables Google admins to suspend multiple accounts at one go. There are several reasons behind the individual or mass user suspension by the IT admin. When some users leave the organization, their Google Workspace accounts become unmanaged and open to other users or hackers. Sometimes the active users in an organization may suffer from stolen passwords or unauthorized access by cybercriminals. In this case, you have to suspend those users' accounts temporarily. Another case happens when a user violates your organization's rules, such as spreading spam or illegal activities. Let's see how Foresight helps in managing this scenario easily without coding. Instructions. To complete this automation workflow, we have to create two rules. Rule 1. Bulk suspend user by group. Rule 2. Bulk suspend users by OU. Before creating Rule 1, let's have a look at the Google Group social media interns in the Google admin console. And notice the user George Andrews. As you can see, he is active now. Rule creation. Rule 1. Sign into the Foresight account. Go to the Rules page and click on the New Rule button. Select the manual trigger. Select the List Group Members action from all the available actions. Here you need access permission for Foresight from the Google admin account. Then you have to enter the group's email ID, so select Social Media Interns in the group email field. Click Review. Give a rule name and click Create. Trigger the rule by clicking on play icon to export the CSV file. You will find the notification about the successful rule execution. Now find the same action history from the Logs page. You can download the CSV file from this page. Next, you have to upload the same CSV file to get the final rule for suspending this specific group of users. So, click the New Rule button again. Select the Data Uploaded trigger. Upload the CSV file and wait for the file to be parsed. Click Next. Select the Suspend User action. Select Member Email in Primary Email. Click Review. Give the rule name and click Create. Rule triggering. Upload the same CSV file containing the list of group users. You will find that Rule 1 has been triggered. Verifying the results. Check the notification for Rule 1 from the bell icon. Also, check the result of successful rule execution from the Logs page. These are the suspended users of specific group. Let's also confirm it from Google Admin. Now before creating Rule 2, let's see again in the Google Admin console. As you can see in the OU Digital Marketing, a user Deborah Worley is active. Rule 2. Click the New Rule button and select the manual trigger. Select the List Users action. Select /marketing/digital marketing in the organization unit field. Click Review. Give a rule name and click Create. Trigger the rule to export the CSV file. You can download the CSV file from the Logs page. Next, you have to upload the same CSV file to get the final rule for suspending the users from a specific OU. So, click the New Rule button again. Select the Data Uploaded trigger. Upload the CSV file and wait for the file to be parsed. Click Next. Select the Suspend User action. Select Email in Primary Email. Click Review. Give the rule name and click Create. Also, check the result of Rule 2 with the same process. These are the suspended users of specific OU. As you can see, the user Deborah Worley is suspended. From the Google Admin console, you can see the status is changed to Suspended by Admin. So you have seen how Foresight is helpful for Google admins, which makes their routine work fast and efficiently. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.